Hi, welcome to the TechRepack online training. We do provide training on application packaging using AdminStudio and Microsoft Package. With the latest versions, there's AdminStudio 2015 and Microsoft API 5.1. Also provide training on Microsoft SCCM 2012. Thank you. Yeah. In this session, we are going to see how to implement the active setup in MSI Package. So here I am going to use an example of a VLC media player and I am going to demonstrate with that application. So before implementing it, I would like to tell you what is that we are going to do with the VLC media player. What is the customization we are going to achieve it with the active setup. So now I have an application of VLC media player. It's already installed. If I open up this application, I am getting this pop-up. Okay, this is something the user says I don't want to see any pop-up while I launch this shortcut. It has to directly open up the application. So now I need to suppress this. Okay. If I click on continue, that application is open and close it. And if you reopen the same application, you will not be seeing that pop-up again. Why? Because it has written something into the user profile. So whoever user logs into this computer and launch this VLC media player, every user would be getting that pop-up. So the customer requirement is no user should be seeing that pop-up. It has to directly open up the application. So then I have to customize this. I have to create an MSI package in such a way it has to suppress the pop-up for every user. So how do I do that? So right now I'm already having a package of VLC media player and this is my ISM file. Let's implement this scenario inside this ISM. Yeah, now this is my MSI. It's my ISM file. And go to the files and folders. So I just need to copy a VLC folder into the app data folder. So how could I customize that pop-up? How could I suppress it? This is because this is something, by creating a folder of VLC and placing these three files inside of this app data folder, I would be able to suppress the pop-up. Okay. It means my active setup has to copy this VLC folder into each and every user's app data folder. Okay. Now let's do that. First of all, you should be having that VLC folder inside your package. So let me have this is something I'm going to implement it with the help of VB-script. So what is this going to happen to it? That VB-script would be copying this VLC folder into each and every user's app data folder. Okay, so now the requirement is I need to have a VB-script to copy the VLC folder into each and every user's app data folder. Okay. And I have a VB script. Now then I have to create active setup registry key inside the package. Okay, let's do this. So now here I have it. See, users, Raj and updata. Inside of it I am having VLC folder. So let me copy this and keep it inside my package. Okay, now this VLC folder is copied inside my package. That is, I kept it inside C program files video LAN VLC folder. So this folder now is supposed to be copied into each and every user's app data folder. So this would be the source location for my VB script. And where is my destination? My destination is app data folder of the users. Okay. So the VB script, in fact it requires source path and the destination path. So source path here it is C program files video LAN VLC folder, and my destination path, of course we know it's an app data folder. So place it inside of it. Okay, so I have a source location and I also I know that where is my destination, so which is going to be implemented with the help of VB script. Okay, now let's see that. Let's also have a VB script. Okay, now I'm going to have a VB script also copied into my MSI package. So I would be placing my VB script under VLC folder. So let's add a VB script here. I have a VB script, it's kept in my C drive. Okay, copy this. So now I am having a VB script inside my package. So this is going to be executed from the active setup. Thereby this VLC folder would be copied into the app data folder of each and every user. So active setup is basically going to be created with the help of registry key. So what is the hierarchy of it? It's under HKLM software, it's under Microsoft, and inside of it it's an active setup, and inside of it it's installed components. And here you can go with the application name, or also you can go with the product code of this MSI package. It's up to us. And on the right hand side you have to give a stub path. This is very important. So whatever is we are writing here, that is going to be executed. Okay. Okay. We have to give a location of the VB script under the stub path. So my VB script is located under program files folder, video LAN, and VLC folder, and the name of the VBS is create underscore folder.vbs. Let's verify. Yes. Okay. Now HKLMs, Microsoft Active Setup, install component, VLC media player and stuff. That's fine. Now let's build this. Yeah, it's been built now. Let's go and install it. As it's a trial version, I'm not having an MSI as an output. I got exe as an output. Okay. Yes, it is done. So once an MSI package is installed, what is that we have to verify? We have to look at the active setup is being created or not. Okay, let's go to the software, HKLM software, Microsoft and active setup, then install component. Look at the VLC media player, it is created. And in the right hand side, if you look at the stub path is also correct. See program files, video and VLC. Now let's go and verify whether the VB script is present inside this location or not. Okay, go to the C tab, program files and video LAN, and then VLC is a folder inside of it. Copy underscore folder. Okay, we just gave a wrong name here. Let's rename it. Okay, copy underscore folder. So now this VB script should be executed while the user log into the computer. Thereby the user should be getting an update of folders of VLC. Okay, what I do is let me create a new account and log in with a new account. Okay, let's create an account called test1. Let's log off from the Raj account, and then we'll log in with the test1 account. It's a test1 account, it's newly created. So far nothing is there under app data folder of the test1. But while the user is logging into this computer, that active setup is going to be executed. Okay, done. Now what we should do is let's verify the app data folder. Yes, now you look at VLC folder is created 12.1. It's just a second back. VLC folder. Okay. So it means that active setup is executed perfect. I just want to know it whether it's been executed or not. So you can verify whether the active setup is executed or not by looking at the HKCU software, Microsoft and active setup installed component. and if the folder is got created, if a key is got generated with this, which is we created it under HKL. So the same thing is replicated now under the current user. It means for this current user that active setup is being executed. So n number of users log into this computer, it doesn't matter. That active setup would be executed for each and every user. But there is another important is active setup. It gets executed only once per user. Okay. So this is all about the active setup, how to implement with MSI package. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this video.